everyone, and welcome back. Today we are discovering Causebox. Ooh, this is heavy. This is their summer box. Now I got their spring box. I opened it before I started my YouTube channel, but today the summer box is here and we're gonna check out what's inside. In the last spring box that I got, I'll post a picture here with the cats. I got this necklace from the spring Causebox and the designer is Fostery. I really like wearing it. I think it's perfect to wear to work. It's very classy. Okay, so let's get into the box. I love the box. The box is so magical whenever I receive it in the mail. I love seeing the artwork and I like how it was illustrated by a lady artist. And this is what it looks like when you open it up. I like their mission. It says, "Our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone." And this pamphlet has everything that is in the box and it says where the product came from. It has a little sticker to hold it together. It looks like she's reading a book. Oh wow, this postcard is so pretty. They usually have a postcard. The last postcard I sent to my grandmother, she loved it. You want to see what's in the box, Meter? What is in the box? Oh, these are neat. Silicone stretch lids. Oh, cool. That is neat. You can stretch it over any container. That's cool. It comes with all different sizes too. 6 sizes. So the next item is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm.
This healing balm can be used for chocolates, cuts and burns, severe joints, sensitive skin, post-procedure skincare, beauty hacks, and baby ointment.
I'll probably use it as like a Neosporin. There's a lot in this box, you guys. That's why it was so heavy. What do I want to open next? Say Hi to Hydration, Grace and Stella. Directions: apply 2 to 3 drops over cleansed face and neck before creams, and it hydrates your skin. So I barely looked on Instagram and I barely looked on YouTube to see what everyone else got in their spring box. But as soon as I clicked on Instagram, I saw that this was one of the spoilers and I was really excited about this. This is a smart facial cleansing device and it's in pink. PDM Clean and Smart Facial Cleaning Device that uses Sonic Glow technology. It has 4
customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. It has Sonic Glow technology, the beauty of silicone, customizable for all skin types, anti-aging facial massage, and says stitch the cord. So it's battery operated. Very neat. And it's like a travel size. You can see the size of it to my hand. It's not too tiny, but you can also take it with you if you're traveling somewhere.
Definitely will be using this.
Ooh.
A reed diffuser. White tea ginger. Ooh. Hi, Mocha. My cats like to see what I got in my boxes too. Here are the reeds. Ooh, fancy. By Fea candle. Ooh, cool.
Let's see what it sounds like. I want to open it to see what it sounds like.
It's a very light scent. White tea and ginger. I like this a lot. Put in your home office or work office. Very nice. Vera. I feel like roller bombs or essential oil rollers. Pure Essential Oil Tracy's Grace Calming Blend USDA Organic Roll-On.
Let's open this to smell it.
I'm glad I'm not wearing any kind of like perfume or essential oil today. That smells really good. Calming blend. Ingredients: organic MCT, organic orange, organic lavandin, so like maybe lavender, organic rosemary. That smells good. And then we have another one in here. Ooh, this is the Happy Blend Secret Zest. 100% pure essential oil. Organic MCT, organic orange, organic bergamot, organic ylang ylang, organic lemon, organic geranium. The last thing in the box. So this is by Pepper and Vetiver, and they are a set of 3 nesting bowls for either salad, cereal, or dessert. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I don't want them to fall, so I'm holding on.
They look too nice to use.
I like how they are hand painted. So that's the small bowl. It has like seafoam green. And then the next is this like sky blue color in the medium sized bowl. And it has some green on it. The same green as the smaller size bowl. And then we have the larger bowl with a darker color blue. And it has the same color blue as the medium bowl on the bottom here. That's so neat. I love how they paired them together like that. So this PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device is actually a $99 value. So that already exceeds the price that I paid for the box in general. So the Reed Diffuser sells for a $35 value. The set of 3 nesting bowls is at a $36 value. The silicone stretch lids are at an $8 value. The hyaluronic acid serum is for $25 value. The Severa Essential Oil Roll-On Duo is a $30 value. This Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm is for a $30 value. So if you add all those up, it comes out to $263. And I only paid $55. That's amazing. If you'd like to receive $10 off your first Causebox, I'll link my referral link down below in the description. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed unboxing this Causebox with me. I hope that you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!